What is up, everybody? Right here, Punisher Lamont's garage. Got the Punisher car behind me. Getting ready to pull that transmission out of there. Try to figure out what broke at the No Name Nationals. I'm not real sure. We'll find out here in a couple hours. I'll shoot some video pulling it out. Probably shoot some video pulling it apart if I have time. See if we can figure out what happened. Alright, got all the bolts out of the drive shaft. Drive shaft's dropped down. I gotta take that cross member off. The crossover tube off. Take the 10 brake line or transmission line off, and then pretty much just slide transmission out. It's pretty easy on this car. Alright, so I got the transmission out. It locks up right there. It don't go in this. Yep, there it is. I'm gonna pull it apart here in a minute. We'll see what happened to it. Alright, guys. Who else besides me is ready to find out what happened to this thing? Now, I've never taken one of these apart, so I may not even be taking it apart right. I don't know. But I figure I am not going to hurt it. Yeah. Let's see here. Something came loose anyway. I don't know if that slides off there like that or not. It might have some sort of keeper. I don't know. You may have to take it apart from the front. I don't know. Alright. Well, nothing obvious yet. This transmission's definitely been apart before. I'm pretty sure that they don't use red silicone from the factory. And I thought it had when I bought the transmission, but I did see the speed or the odometer. It came out of an 80,000 mile truck. So I took a chance on it. I mean, I was mean to it, so. Yep, we got some broken gears. Got some teeth in here. Yeah, maybe that's all it was. We'll just put it back together now. Just leave the teeth out. Alright, guys, gals. We got it apart. Got a whole lot of gears there. That's where they once went. Now, I'm just gonna guess that that's probably third gear. Third gear is the weak link on these transmissions. Man, that sucks. Oh well, what do you do? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure that keeper or whatever that is was, maybe that's just a magnet. I don't know. Anyway, the transmission looks good inside other than, third gear. So that's it. There's the mystery. Now I know what I broke at No Name Nationals. Time to find a new transmission, I suppose. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. We're going to be doing something with the transmission. I haven't decided yet. Probably either a TKX or a TR6060. If I could find a T56 cheap, I'd put it in there, but I'm not giving, $2,000 for a worn out T56. So most likely going to be a TKX, something built to hold the power I'm trying to put down, or I'll just put an automatic back in it. I don't know yet. I really like the manual, but this sucks. So anyway, have a good night.